Just say the strong winds and dryness outside is a big problem today. Firefighters even say this is a big concern because it doesn't take long for fires to spread fast in conditions just like today. Your reporter Brian Sherrod joining us live from the Aurora Municipal Center right now, and this is headquarters for Aurora Fire. And Brian, firefighters say when they receive that fire call, they have minutes, sometimes even seconds to respond.
And that's exactly right, Brian. It's actually pretty quick because firefighters say it is based on how the call comes in. They said everything they base it on is safety, also what they have to use for the effective tools when it comes to getting that done, and also location. So they said their number two concerns are, one, making sure no lives are lost, but two, trying to protect the structure as much as they can. So I spoke with firefighters today, and they say they up staff on days like today. Firefighters always prepare for any and all fires, no matter the size. Firefighters say 80% of vegetation fires are caused by people. Too frequently, fires are caused by cigarette butts being thrown out of the window, or sparks, heat or open flames coming from machinery. If possible, firefighters say to delay to work until the conditions are more favorable. If there ever is a red flag warning, take it seriously.
If a fire starts, it can rapidly spread. It's still going to take firefighters the same amount of time to get to the fire, but the fire might be already exponentially bigger than it would be on a normal day.
Now, if you're actually working outside and you're not able to delay that work, just make sure you have a fire extinguisher handy and nearby. One of the other things to do is to make sure you have someone else supervised just in case something was to happen. But if you see smoke or fire in general, they say to always call 911. Live in Aurora, Brian Sherrod covering Colorado First.
All right, Brian, thank you. In less than an hour from now,